UPDF denounces fake document designating NUP as rebel group amid rising post-election tensions. The Uganda People's Defense Forces, UPDF, has moved to discredit the document, circulating on social media that purports to officially designate the National Unity Platform, NUP, as a rebel outfit. The document, dated January 21st, 2026, claimed that the UPDF, under the leadership of Chief of Defense Forces CDF General Muhoozi, had ordered the closure of the NUP and the arrest of its top leaders, including Robert Chagulanyi Sentamu, popularly known as Bobi Wine. Colonel Chris Magazi, Acting Director of Defense Public Information, took to X, formerly Twitter, to debunk the letter, labeling it as fabricated, sharing an image of the document stamped with a large fake news watermark. Magazi questioned the motives behind the forgery, asking, how desperate does it get? The falsified letter had alleged that security forces neutralized 22 armed individuals linked to the NUP during the post-election period and accused party leadership of misleading youth into confronting security. General Muhoozi warns of reciprocal sanctions. The disinformation campaign comes at a time of high diplomatic and domestic friction. General Muhoozi has been active on social media, addressing rumors of potential international backlash following the January 15th elections. Responding to reports that some U.S. officials might be seeking sanctions against him or the Ugandan government, the CDF issued a stern warning. If some spoilers in the USA sanction me or Uganda for anything, we shall respond by sanctioning them too, General Muhoozi posted. Ambassador Hadonia Ayebare, Uganda's permanent representative to the UN, attempted to de-escalate the rhetoric, replying that the relationship with the US remains strong and mutually beneficial, and that no spoiler could impose such measures.
You people, what do you want in our compound? What is it that you want in our compound? What do you want in our compound?
Of alleged raid on Chagulanyi residence, the digital standoff follows a reported security raid on the home of Bobi Wine, while the opposition leader has alleged that his wife, Babi Chagulanyi, was physically assaulted by soldiers during the operation. General Muhoozi categorically denied these claims. My soldiers did not beat up Babi, the general stated, adding that the military was seeking a cowardly husband rather than a. This statement exposed something the security has consistently denied since Bobi Wine jumped into hiding, and that UPDF is truly hunting. Recently, Minister Chris Baramunsi said Bobi Wine is not being hunted and has no reason to hide.
I've also seen on social media Bobi Wine, the main challenge of the president, saying he's in hiding. There is no need for him to be in hiding. Nobody wants him. He's not under pursuit by police or the army or security or the state. I am now speaking as the government of Uganda. He's free to come from wherever he's hiding, to come to his home and just stay at home and be calm and observe law and order. That's it. He was not the only candidate in the race. The others are at peace. So he should stop the drama, the theatrics, trying to cause a story where there is no story. The presidential elections, parliamentary elections are now done. We are now focusing on the remaining few elections to complete the process, and then we move on with delivering our manifesto, which we pledged to the Ugandans, upon which NRM has been voted.
Muhoozi confirms all social media platforms will be unblocked today, but in a military language, depicting it was under arrest. In a post, Muhoozi said, "We are releasing all social media today. I thank all the great people of Uganda for their support and cooperation throughout this electoral season. You are truly the greatest people on earth, and you give us all the courage to serve. God bless you all. The current climate, Uganda remains in a state of heightened alert following the 2026 general elections, with the internet recently restored after a nationwide blackout and reports of scattered protests. The fake UPDF letter appears to be part of a broader information war between the state and the opposition. Security agencies have urged the public to rely only on official government channels for information regarding national security and the legal status of political organizations.